Hello, this is Justin with Mobility of Denver. We're going to do a little video walk around on these two vehicles that you had asked us about. So this first one here is the 2014 Toyota Sienna. This is the L model. So it's got the rear entry conversion from MobilityWorks. This is their commercial style rear entry. Vehicle's in good shape overall. Tires have a good amount of tread left. There's some minor scratches and dents in the vehicle. I'll point them out as we go. Overall, the vehicle is in good mechanical and running condition. Just have some scrapes and dings around. Looks like some rock chips and things like that pitted on the hood. You can tell it's the L model because the handles are going to be black, as well as the rear view mirror here. On the actual car itself, you won't have any Bluetooth. And then the dash is this style here. This is the pre-2015 dash. So you have climate control zones there, and then you're going to have your screen up there for your trip, and then you're also going to have your radio functions there. So we've got a light gray interior here. We've got rubber floor mats. These are manual doors back here. And then these tracks, they rearrange the seats here. So you have two seats and then one seat here. So it's the 40-60 split. And then your wheelchair conversion's back there. So let's go take a look at that. And then this handle here is how you release. And then the ramp is going to come out. It's an all aluminum ramp there, nice and wide. You're able to roll up into the vehicle. And then the tie downs are in these positions here. And up front there. So we've got a set of tie downs here. And then this, because it was a commercial spec, has a fire extinguisher. And then the shoulder seat belt attaches up at the top. This is the original third row seat belt there. So very simple, straightforward, good reliable ramp. And then it just locks in there that way. When it's locked in, you can't pull it out. There was previously a sign or something that was glued onto this dash part. So that is the 2014 Toyota Sienna.